Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how I put together a really festive looking and delicious cucumber salad. So we're going to start off with our delicious cucumber, a lemon or a lime, and our favorite seasonings. Don't forget to add the apple cider vinegar. Now I like to leave some green stripes on my cucumber. Next we're going to cut off the booties, which is the end of the cucumber. And we're going to slice them like so. I have a bowl here. Put my cucumbers inside of a bowl. Next, I'm going to take my organic apple cider vinegar. This apple cider vinegar is with the mother. This is the nice stuff at the bottom. Give it a good shake. And pour some in. You don't need much. We're going to set this to the side. We're going to cut the booties off of our lemon. Cut my lemon in half. And then do a few cute little slices . Go ahead and toss our cucumber salad. We're going to take one lemon and actually squeeze it all over. And the other 3 halves, we're just going to stick them in here for decor purposes. Okay, I'm going to add my favorite seasoning, which is peppercorn pepper. Give that a toss. Ooh, that looks delicious. Can you get in there and see how good that looks? And I am going to be using some steak seasoning. It's going to be so good. So good. And I like to end off this with the lemon on top. And this is my delicious cucumber salad, guys. Bon appetit. So crunchy and flavorful and so good. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check out the Cooking Queen's website. It will be listed in the description box, as well as checking out our Poshmark page to pick up your quality ingredients and cooking supplies. Bye bye now. I'll see you in the next video.